XactAI can quickly add labels and descriptions to images you add to rooms or albums in your estimate. If you're adding a large batch of images, this time-saving feature gets them ready for your reports in a snap. Let's dive in. You'll want to first check that XactAI is activated in your instance. If you're not sure, contact your Xactimate customer success representative. If XactAI is activated, you'll want to make sure the feature is enabled. In Xactimate Mobile, go to Settings and make sure the toggle is enabled to allow AI labels and descriptions. You will want to make sure you are connected to the internet during the entire process. Any images added to a project without an internet connection will not go through the XactAI review. Label your rooms, roof, or dimensioned items in Sketch first. Accurate labels help XactAI create precise image names and descriptions. When taking photos, make sure they are clear and straight on. If there's a lot in the frame, crop the image to areas of interest before running the AI review. With your project open, go to the Photos tab. Tap the photo icon to either take photos with your device's camera or to add images from your photo library. If you don't choose an album first, your images will land in the unassigned album. The AI review won't run in the unassigned album. Select and move your images into the correct room album. As soon as you do, the AI review happens. You will see a notification that the photo description is complete and ready for review. Navigate to the AI Descriptions Review page. Tap on an image to review the label and description. If it looks good, tap Approve. To make changes, tap on the image name or description and edit as needed. If you edit a field, the AI sparkle icon disappears. If you want to revert to the AI version, tap the reverse arrow. Once you're satisfied with the edits, tap Approve to move on to the next image. AI content may contain inaccuracies and should not be relied upon as a substitute for professional judgment. Only approve AI-generated image labels and descriptions after you have carefully reviewed it for accuracy. AI is great, but be smart and check its work. Images not approved will not show up on generated reports, and the AI-generated name and description will not be attached to the image sent to XactAnalysis with your completed estimate. You can also approve multiple images at once. Navigate to the AI review page, tap the three-dot menu. Select and tap the images ready to approve or select all, then approve. You will see an alert in the navigation menu letting you know that there are still photos needing approval. Once approved, your images stay in their respective albums. You can still annotate, edit image details, or revert to AI text. Whether you're uploading a handful of photos or 100, the XactAI photo labels and descriptions feature makes labeling and describing your images faster and easier, so you can focus on building a complete, accurate estimate. Want more tips like this? Visit learn.xactware.com for more learning resources. Drop your questions in the comments and let us know what topics you want to see next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for new expert tips each week.